Hello there again. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Today guys, I am going out for a little walk. So I'm gonna take you with me. Guys, if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to Charms Lifestyle channel, please do so. You may be missing out on something about Charms Lifestyle. So please please subscribe to my video with that post notification bell turned on, so you will be notified when I post my next video. And also you can follow me at Charms_lifestyle on Instagram, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. See you soon. So guys, yes, I'm taking my little evening walk. I don't know where my foot will take me to, but wherever it takes me to, I will take you there with me. So for now, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of this end that you have never seen before. So take a look guys, take a look. The further I get, I will give you a sneak peek of where I'm at. Look at that lovely building across there. Look at those buildings over there. They are all apartment buildings. They are all apartment buildings you are looking at there. Look at that. That building. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm tired. I walked. Do you know where I end up? You see, I'm breathing. I walked a little distance. It's a little distance from home, but do you know where I am at? Do you want to see where I am at? I know you want to see, so I'm gonna show you. But before I show you where I am at, I must tell you, it's a very chilly day today. Yes. You remember how I boasted about how the day was warm? Not today, guys. It's not too cold, but it's a bit chilly. Yes. So you say you want to see where I am at. Okay, that's not a problem at all. Let's show you where I'm at. Okay, this is where I am at, guys. This is my exercising ground. This is where I am at. But so I'm gonna do a bit of exercising, but before I do so, I'm gonna take you on the whole exercising ground and show you the equipments. So So guys, as I was saying, someone asked me the other day if this was the gym or where was this place. This is outside on the roadside. Everyone and anyone have access. This machine. I'm gonna do exercise, but I'm gonna take you through first and start from the bottom coming up. So I'm gonna show all. That's the big train, guys. So this is equipment number 2. See? Equipment number 2. This one is equipment number 3. I want to try that one, but I don't know when. So we are now heading to number 4. In the meantime, look across there on those. So, number 4. This is number 5. And these are all on the roadside, guys, which is very good. So if you can't afford to go to the gym, you can always come here to do your exercise. I am living like half an hour walk from here, so this is my daily exercise. Number 6. Number 7. I don't even know. Oh, this one is for the hand. I never use this one. And guys, I could go on and on, and I think I'm gonna go and show you all of them. I don't know how much more because I've never gone this far, but there are more, so I'm gonna show them to you. Here is the next one. This one, I don't know if when I'm doing it, if I will be able to show you with the phone, as I don't have a phone. I have a phone stand, but I don't know if it will work. So this is the next one. Don't know what this is. This seems like it is out of use. Not sure what this one is, you know. Maybe something was there, but it's not in use anymore. I don't know, because as I say, I've never been this far. This is another. I think this one is for the hand, like this. Yes, this one is for the hand, you know. As if you're driving. And I think, look, Yeah. And there is one left, but I'm not sure. It's occupied. I don't know for how long, but I'll sit and wait. If not, I'll have to go without you seeing that one. Here is the other. I don't know how this one operates. I think I don't know, but I think you lie on it. We hear two legs here, one here, and the other over there, and then you will go backwards. I think, just assuming, I'm not sure. And this is last but not least. These are for the bicycle rentals. Velo. Take a good look. When the bicycles are here, you rent and you pay right here and you take the bicycle. Not sure how this is operated because bicycle with me never learned to ride, but there are 6 of them here, or 5. Yes, but there are no bicycles here at the moment. Let me show you the sign right there, Valor Blue. So here is where you do all transactions. Look at the sky, guys. Not sure if I can do any exercising today because you see, I can't let this rain catch me out here, else I would be dead. Yeah? Look there. Oh my God, look up there. That end is clear. The little sun is over that end over there. But here, it's not good at all. Over here, we are gonna get some rain tonight. This is me, guys, doing a thing, doing a thing, doing a thing. Yes, guys, this is me. Yeah. This is me, guys. This is me. Yeah. I know you can't see my face, but it's okay. So this is me, guys. Always me. This is always me, okay? Again, doing my thing. And this, yeah. Yes, guys, this is me. This is me. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna try and beat the rain. Okay? All good things must come to an end. I'm gonna try and beat the rain. So guys, guess what? The rain is coming down. I'm not sure if I can make it back in, but it's coming down, guys. So see you later, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't breathe, guys. And if you watch this video to the end, please leave me a purple heart. And thank you all so much for watching. I love you. So I'm gonna see if I can beat this terrain. So see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching.